Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we're going to talk about the professional headlight restoration versus the toothpaste method, and we're going to see which one is better. Coming up. So on all headlights, as a vehicle gets older, oxidation pretty much happens on every single one of them. Now we have a professional method that we use to restore these that leaves them bright and shiny for a long time. That's not a simple method. Now we're going to try to see what the difference is and how close to the difference that the toothpaste method gets even close to our professional method. So let's take a look. So first we mask the paint in order to make sure we don't damage any surrounding area. Next, we clean the headlights with Optimum No Rinse, which removes any debris. We start with a wet 500 grit pneumatic sander, then move up to an 800, 1000, 1500, and finally a 3000 for finishing, spending a minute or two on each level. Next, we add our polish to our Makita polisher. Now you can use an orbital polisher, but a rotary polisher is much faster if you know how to use one. Now you can see the headlight is looking bright, clear, and new. Now we started with the worst of the two headlights, so the toothpaste headlight has a little bit of a head start. Next we add toothpaste and a water mixture and let it sit for about 5 minutes on the other headlight. Now we'll polish the toothpaste into the headlight and then wipe it clean and see what result we get. Now our final result, the toothpaste didn't do too bad of a job. Now the only question is, how long is that going to last for with as much resurfacing on the professional side versus the clarity that does show up from the toothpaste side? Comment below and let us know what you guys think. Be sure to like this video if it brought you some value, subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos, follow us on Facebook or our website pitstopcarcare.com.